अनस्टेबिलिटी हम लोग को पसंद है, लाइफ में थोड़ा सब कुछ अनस्टेबल हो. एवरीवन इज इन द स्पेशल बैच. अगर एक बार आप एब्सेंट करते हो, यू आर आउट ऑफ द एवरेज लाइफ. 60 इयर्स का हो चुका है एंड आई एम जस्ट 20 years old right now. And yeah, the thing is very hectic. It is stressing, but it's really good. I, Mohammad Yusuf Ali Ahmed, from Prahar X2 batch of Learning Ant.
How does a day in your life look like right now?
Right now, I get up in the morning around 6 o'clock or something, and then I do my prayers and sometimes meditation and a little bit of exercise if I do get some time after the division. But if I have not studied well for the exam, then I do really like study and skip my exercises and all. And I have an exam from 9 o'clock to 10 or maybe 10:30 most of the time in Kolkata 30 batch. And yeah, the thing is very hectic. It is stressing, but it's really good. I think there's a very exponential growth in my self-study hours, which is like I'm doing a lot of self-study nowadays. And I think it is a very good push from our teachers. And yeah, I am really concerned about my results now, so
Okay.
it is giving me a help.
Okay. It brings me to the next question.
Yeah.
Which is exactly this. What changes do you see in yourself, Yusuf?
I see consistency in myself right now.
Okay.
Like,
So consistency. Okay. So tell me about are the teachers helpful here, or do
A
they?
lot.
Okay.
a lot.
Okay. So tell me what basically differentiates Learning Ants teachers with the rest of the institutes. You might have you might have studied from other institutes
Yeah,
as well.
I
Draw the
have been a
comparison.
student of
Okay.
earlier. So
Okay.
I would say ki the only thing which Learning Ant provides is mentorship. Mentorship is like the utmost thing a student needs being an aspirant. Okay. It's like you really go out of the track every single week or in 10 days. You have like we humans have that nature to go out of like unstability. हम लोग को पसंद है लाइफ में थोड़ा सब कुछ अनस्टेबल हो, ठीक है,
Especially at this age.
हाँ at this age कि like थोड़ा सा वो भी करते हैं थोड़ा सा वो भी करते हैं. But at this point of my life aspirant वाले जर्नी पे like our teachers bring us all together कि like no, yeah, it's like the last shot, just give it up.
Fantastic. This again reminds me of another question.
Yeah.
मुरली सर से डांट पड़ा है?
बहुत सारा.
हाँ.
बहुत ज़्यादा. I am his favorite for giving dart. And
Okay.
he is a very good teacher. And especially I would say he is more than a teacher because he is a CEO of Learning Ant and he manages everything. Like his role is not to teach only. His role is to like be with the kids, play with them, डांट दिए कभी. अभी like it's like आपके break time में he would be a good friend with you, like हंस रहे हैं ना. The moment bell rings, ठीक है, he will be like अभी पढ़ने चलो, तुम लोग यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो, ये वो. It's like he would just take a second to flip his whole mindset and the whole mood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So again, tell me, how has Murli sir impacted your life?
I see him as a very visionary person and he's very ambitious to what he's doing. And this is the biggest lesson I have got from him. Like I have to be ambitious like of what I am choosing in my life. If I'm becoming a doctor, I know I want to serve this community, okay, like by helping them through health.
Okay, understood. So बाकी coaching में Yusuf,
Yes.
right? You would get wonderful T-shirts. You would get a lot of kits, a lot of exercise books, a lot of amenities.
Yeah.
Tell me about the amenities which you have received at Learning Ant and why you have received Learning Ant without these extra T-shirts, clothing, apparels, etc.
I would say that the T-shirt and these are very small things. They doesn't matter so much because like it's all the perspective of marketing, I think. And यहाँ पे they are not doing marketing even if they want to do so, like there's not a big deal for doing it. I would just say कि यहाँ पे आपको जो रियल चीज़ है वो मिल जा रहा है कि टीचर आपके साथ खड़े हैं, डाउट सॉल्व हो रही है, आपको ज़बरदस्ती पढ़ने के लिए बैठाया जा रहा है, विच इज़ द बेस्ट कि अगर आपको नहीं पढ़ने का तब भी आपको बैठ के पढ़ना पड़ेगा. हर जगह पे स्पेशल बैच बन रहे हैं कि टॉप स्टूडेंट्स को उठाओ, ठीक है, बैच बनाओ उन लोगों को पढ़ाओ,
Cream
नर्चर
batch,
करो,
हाँ।
सिर्फ यस नर्चर करो उन लोगों को एंड बस
Give the
कहानी खत्म, गिव द रेस्ट, क्योंकि उन लोग से रिजल्ट मिलेगा बिकॉज दे आर टॉपर्स। हमेशा से उन लोग को पढ़ाई समझ में आ रहा है, उन लोग को बहुत कम बार अप्स एंड डाउन्स आया है, तो दे आर लाइक गुड स्टूडेंट्स, उन लोग को निकाल दो। यहाँ पे एवरीथिंग इज द डायरेक्ट ऑपोजिट टू इट। इट्स लाइक एवरीवन इज इन द स्पेशल बैच एंड यू गेट एलिमिनेटेड out of your mistake.
And what's the mistake, Yusuf? Can you explain
It's,
the rules?
There was a bond which we signed, and that was from 9 to 8 o'clock. We are gonna study continuously without phone, without any like extra breaks, which we have been given of 1 hour, 15 minutes ka like twice and half an hour ka ek baar. So it's like 11 hours of studies को हम लोग like 1 घंटा ब्रेक के बाद इट्स लाइक 10 hours ऑफ कंटिन्यूअस स्टडीज।
अच्छा, इसमें एब्सेंट किसी एक दिन कर सकते हैं क्या?
नो, अगर एक बार आप एब्सेंट करते हो यू आर आउट ऑफ इट।
ओके, तो these are the rules, right?
Yeah, these are the rules and this is the trick of being in the special batch. If you like आपका कंसिस्टेंसी मैटर करता है यहाँ पे, आप कंसिस्टेंट हो, अगर आपका सिलेक्शन नहीं भी हो रहा, आपको पता है आपने मेहनत किया है, यू डिड योर बेस्ट।
Okay.
बस।
So Yusuf, to sum it up, tell me one line for learning and.
मंजिल को भुलाकर जिया तो क्या जिया, मंजिल को भुलाकर जिया तो क्या जिया, लर्निंग एड में आकर पढ़ाई नहीं किया तो क्या किया।
वाह 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 वाह।
थैंक यू।
Do you intend on attending big Ramzan parties and all of that showbiz which happens?
I believe कि average life 60 years का हो चुका है and I am just a 20 years old guy right now. तो मेरे पास अगर इस बार हम मिस भी करते तो I would have the next 39 years as an average. तो मैं वो 39 years में वो मजा ले सकता हूँ
Parties का,
Yes.
है ना? इस बार पढ़ना है। अच्छा,
इस बार I'm thinking of giving it all.
Okay, with this all the best Yusuf, may you crack NEET very well. Thank you.